Today, let's make a paper snail. You need color paper, scissors, black pen, glue or glue tape, and string. First, we're going to measure the paper to 8 centimeters wide. Fold it in half. Get your scissors and let's cut.
Wow!
Next, we're going to cut a leaf. You can draw a leaf with a pencil, or you can just cut a leaf shape, like this. Next, get your black pen and we're going to draw some lines to make it look like a leaf. It's easy. Next, we're going to cut the antenna, a U shape. Get a pen and draw a mouth. Next, we need some eyes. So let's get some yellow paper, fold it in half, and cut a circle. Now we have 2 eyes. Let's get the black pen again and draw a black circle on each eye. Now we need glue or glue tape. Put some tape on the antenna and stick on your eyes. Next, we're going to make the body. So get your tape glue, put a little bit on the bottom, take the first piece of your body and glue it on, like this. Get another piece of the body, put the tape on, like this, and stick the body on. Alright. And do the next one and keep going. Now we're going to roll the paper. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Until it's all rolled up. Keep rolling. Now, let it go. Hey. Put some glue into the middle of the leaf. And stick the snail on. Put some glue in the middle, like this. Roll it up a little and push, push, push. Put some glue on the head, like this, and stick it on. To push. Okay, push, push, push. And here we go. We have a snail! Hooray! Now, get your string. Tie a knot in one end, like this, and pull. And the other end, we're going to tie a loop, like this, and pull it through. Now we need a little piece of tape, like this. Put the string onto the tape, into the middle. Okay. And then we will stick it onto the leaf, like this. All right. Hey, that's on. We did it! Nice! Woo!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more to come. Bye!
見てくれてありがとう。この動画が気に入ったらいいねとチャンネル登録をしてね。